In the sample ID lot number field, enter the description you would like the final report to list as the samples tested. The ID must match the identification listed on the physical samples and should apply to all the tests on the same form. If the sample ID is different for any test code or you need a separate report, create a new form. Do not put any comments or instructions in this box. Any instructions or comments may be entered into the comments or special handling instructions box. In test information, check any boxes that apply to the test codes on your form. The selection will apply to all of the test codes. Stat testing. Check this box to expedite testing, and there is a fee for stat testing. GLP. Check this box if results will be submitted for FDA review. There is a fee for GLP testing and includes an audit of one phase of the study and a final report review by a qualified quality assurance auditor. Raw data also includes a fee. Check this box if you want a copy of all raw data included with your final report. Indicate if the samples included with this form are replacement or additional samples to be tested and reported under an existing study. If not, click No. If there are supplies and accessories for use during testing, check this box. In the safety section, indicate if your samples are a controlled substance and mark the level of control. Check biohazard if the sample is of clinical origin, contains tissue, blood, potentially infectious material, or is a decontamination sample. Check hazardous chemical if your samples or supplies are classified as a hazardous substance. You must include a current safety data sheet in your shipment. Also attach a completed copy of our hazardous material shipping document to the outer shipping box. There is a link at the top of the sample submission form where you can download that document. If your samples have any physical hazards, such as sharps, spring-loaded devices, etc., indicate it by checking the physical hazard box. If nothing applies, click the No options.